Namaste friends. This is 2021. A very happy new year once again. The last episode you have seen is the 2010 America tour which Nalina Pudawal conducted. And maybe sometimes you would feel this is not very clear, not correct. But as I told you, this is done in 2010 when the present facilities, many apps not available. Then just simply by a handicap, by a person who was taking care of 40 odd passengers. You have seen the video and you have seen how many people are there sitting in the coach and the cruise, etc. And most of them are above 60 years, maybe very few are there about in 50 years or maybe some children. And with these people too, for them it's a new place. Of course for me it's an old place. And managing them, giving them the breakfast, lunch, dinner, the hotel arrangement, the buses, the sightseeing, the guides, and so many things. The security, the safety, the happiness, everything is in our hands. And of course with God. So with that, to take a handicap and shoot in between, and many people have many doubts that you have to explain, they need to coordinate with the guide and the drivers and the hoteliers and the restaurant. So many things to do. There is absolutely no time for the tour leader to remain except those 3 or 4 hours. You sleep at night, that's all. So you have seen it. Okay, so having enjoyed that, the balance part of America to presented you, that is the part of America. So as I told you, the people who have already been to America, the people who are going to go to America, or the people who may not visit due to whatever reason, financial or physical, but yet would like to know what is America and what is in America. Here I am giving. You see, Sri Santosh George Kulangara, although he is much younger to me, and I must remember him with lots of respect and love and affection. He's been like a son to me, like a brother to me, and someday he's a boss to me, and also he himself says he was a disciplined child to me. So it is because of him today in Kerala the tourism industry has grown to the heights. These many flights to come into Kerala, to have 4 airports and still to have more airports. That's what politicians are making you and cry about. This is 100% happened, 100% I say, because of it goes to Sri Santosh George Kulangara. It is his safari and his sancharam. Of course I was in the beginning of years itself. I'm very happy and proud to feel that I was part of his vision and part of his experiment and part of his journey. So I cannot become like him because I do not have that kind of equipment, or neither I was gifted as a journalist. But I have tried in my own way, a very small way, it may be only not even 10% of what he has done. But yet this has given a lot of satisfaction to me and the customers who has travelled with me, because they could see that they are in that place, like they are in Niagara Falls, and they are in the Maid of the Mist boat ride, and they are in the cruise, and they are in Universal Studios. So they could feel they are one man. So this is the charm of it. And I tell you, whenever I think of many things in my life, this is really a great achievement to me that I could at least give something like this. And today I could present this to the world who is watching Nalina Pudawal Kanko YouTube presentation. So friends, please, it's my request to you, do not forget to subscribe, to press the bell button, and also put your valuable comments, whether good or bad, negative or positive. A lot of people do tell me about the negative and the positive things. Like one of my friends is Mr. Jagdish, he just told me, please don't drag the video, put the points. Yes, that's also right, but sometimes, vachalayayittu samsarikkumbol, sometimes this all comes in between. We do not do many takes, just straight. So thank you so much. Please view the second portion. Okay, thank you. So with lots of prayers to all of you to have an excellent life, excellent health, excellent money too. Thank you. Please watch.